Just had a comment here that I was making a joke about the Hank Williams Jr. song from the 80s. Interest rates are up and the stock market's down. And I was corrected, and the guy was absolutely correct. In dollar terms, the stock market is at or very close to all-time highs. The thing is, most of the companies out there aren't that healthy. I see that as a very risky place. Their P/E ratios are way too high. If you look at the value of the dollar, it does cost more dollars to buy a share of stock, but the value of the dollar is so much less. We used to be able to get a pickup truck for $10,000. Now, Devin, you bought the little pickup truck. What'd you pay for yours brand new?
$50,000 or $60,000, I think.
And you paid that much when my dad could get a brand new F-250, four-wheel drive, all the options for $10,000 back when Hank Williams Jr. wrote that song.
That is crazy.
So what I'm talking about is not the absolute value in dollar terms, but how much you can buy with those stocks.